Priyanka, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to tell you guys about the Clubfactory sale. They have a Black Friday sale and it's pretty amazing. And the Black Friday sale starts on 26th November and ends on 29th November. So if you plan to get anything, add them to your cart and this is the right time to get it. And also you can use this code Black Friday to get much more discounts. And they have something called Black Friday Hotlist where you get everything for half the price, so do check that out too. They have these crazy deals where you can earn products for just 9 rupees. And also you can invite your friends and you can slash the prices. As in when you keep inviting more friends to join Clubfactory, you can almost get products for free. You can get them for a zero price. So there's something called slash it. And you can also earn cash and you can earn points from referring more people. So download the Clubfactory app and you can check out all these details. All of these things which I am showing you guys are under 599 rupees. But you can get different products at 199, 299 and 399 and under 499 and all that. So that was all about the Black Friday sale on Clubfactory. Now moving on to what I actually picked up. This time I got Indian wear. So I have been trying to order Indian wear from Clubfactory and somehow it did not happen earlier, but finally I got some Indian wear. And I'll leave the links for everything in the description box, and the app download for iOS and Android and everything else will be in the description box. And I'll also list the prices for the products that I'm showing you guys right here on the screen. Now let's get started. So first up I have this Banarasi material. So it's a suit set and I was pretty surprised to see them on Clubfactory. So I've been seeing saris and Indian wear on Clubfactory, but this is the first time that I've tried it out. And this is the top and this is the dupatta, and it comes with this bottom too. So it's actually a pretty nice set if you're looking for something basic in Banarasi models. I'll also put a picture here as to how it looks on the app so that you get a better idea. So this is what the top looks like, and it actually looks quite pretty as you can see. And this can be totally worn for like simple functions. You can wear this with the same dupatta, or you can mix and match things and wear it too. So this is like quite a bright combination, and this is what the dupatta looks like. This is what the width of the dupatta is like, and yeah, the combination actually looks very nice. I think the price is totally worth it. 450 rupees is pretty great. Since I do have some tops and dupattas, I might get this done into straight pants with those buttons on the side, something like that. I am yet to decide what to do with them. Next up I got these Chanderi dupattas. Again, I was so excited about these, and they have a little bit of work here too. And these were for 550 rupees each, and the length and the width of this and the quality is actually really good. I really like them. I think we'll not get something like this in the local market, so that way the pricing is pretty good. So I think these are some of the products that you can check out on Clubfactory, like if you're looking for Indian wear. So this is what the dupatta looks like, and this is the bottom part of it. It has this I don't know if it's the gota work, yeah. So Chanderi dupatta, and it looks so pretty. This can be worn for everyday use too, and even for simple functions. I really like the color and the quality is pretty nice. I really like this one. It's very beautiful, and I got this in another color too. I think they were available in a bunch of colors. I'll try to leave the links. So I thought this will be a little bit lighter. It's a little darker than what I expected it to be. However, I don't have this color, so again I'm pretty excited. I was really excited about these dupattas. These were the ones that I was most excited about in this entire haul. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I sort of like to do like mix and match with dupattas. So that's the reason I tend to get a lot of dupattas. So I can totally wear this like with pink or off-white, and you know, so many different colors. Even yellow would go really well with this. So with a basic kurta also, something like this can, you know, totally change the look. So that's the reason I really like to mix and match dupattas. Now that's it with Indian wear. Now I got these lights, fairy lights. They're very very thin and tiny. You can see them better when all the lights are switched off. I put them in this candle holder which I recently picked up from Danube Homes. Apart from this, I got some electronics, some really basic ones. I got a mic and a speaker. Both of these also seemed very very affordable, so I wanted to check out how they actually work. So I'll show you guys demo here. And this is the speaker. It's like super tiny, and it comes with like the USB and all those things. So we'll just test it out and see how they work.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Hi guys, I'm Priyanka, welcome back to my channel. So that was everything that I got from Club Factory this time. So do check out their Black Friday sale. It starts on 26th and ends on 29th, and they have all these crazy deals. So do check out all those, and I'll leave the links for the app and other deals also in the description box. So do check it out and let me know what did you like. This is the first time that I've tried Indian wear from Club Factory. I was pretty excited. I'm pretty happy I got them. Usually I keep trying accessories and some other gadgets and stuff like that, but yeah, Indian wear was not a bad choice. It was pretty good. So that was everything that I want to show you guys in this video. And before you go, do subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I keep posting quick updates there, and whenever I see a sale or anything else before it gets to YouTube, you'll actually see an update on Instagram stories. So do follow me there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.